Okay.
Panigrana. Yeah. She started already.
Okay. Good. I mean, I think the service of Panigrana
I
has
think
been
no, it was.
it was. It's been amazing. Harshita has been very, very helpful. And I know we've gone back and forth with a lot of things, but the good thing what I liked about, compared to other wedding planners with you, is that you guys actually gave us a lot of options.
Yeah, you had
And
the
you
patience, I
suggested,
guess.
you told us what would look good, what wouldn't. You said you should go for this instead of that. And for somebody who's getting married for the first time, it's a big thing, right? We don't know what looks good where. So this is a big help from Panigrana and the team. Even Vritti in the end was ticking all the boxes
Yeah.
where we missed out. I'm sure there's room for improvement for everyone. There were some small glitches, but it's okay. End of the day, we focus on the big picture. And honestly, I think Panigrana should advertise their decor work.
It was
Because
amazing.
if you
The decor
guys would
was
have advertised on your social media, so if you're a marketing manager, maybe if you have one, they need to put more effort into showing the decor that you've done. Because when I was shortlisting wedding planners, I did not see any work of Panigrana on your page. That's why I was inclined towards others like Miragi or whoever. But to be honest, I like the proactiveness. But I think you should post about your work on Instagram.
I think your
You will
decor
get
was
better
5 on
conversion.
5.
Trust me, because your decor in the wedding and haldi was wow.
It was just
We
amazing.
loved
Even
it.
Sangeet.
Yeah, Sangeet also, yeah.
Every decor,
Yeah.
everyone loved it.
I think
It was
in
amazing.
decor, some pieces were okay, but no. Like,
In decor?
Yeah. But it's okay. It's a part and parcel of anything. We can't have a perfect wedding also. But to be honest, anything we needed, you guys have really helped us. I mean, anything I asked for, it was like, we'll do our best.
Completely available for us.
Yeah.
And they were there.
To be honest, and your team also especially. This is, let's say, the sales part of it. But the operation staff, top notch. So I'm already speaking to one of the team members, and to be honest, you guys have done more than what could have been.
Thank you.
So thank you for everything.
Thank you
Our
so
guests, all of them, were in awe of what they saw, and to be honest, it was better than what I thought.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you for everything, and I really hope you guys can land and get better conversions with what I'm suggesting, because we were very, very happy.
Yeah.
And we would
for
definitely
sure.
suggest
I
you
think we can
guys.
see you as one of the top wedding
Yeah,
companies.
you need to sell yourself
Yeah, for
better.
sure.
I think you don't know how to sell yourself because you're not showing your work on your social media. I work as a director of sales and marketing, so marketing is also one segment that falls under me, and it's so important that your business is visible compared to others. And I think you underestimate yourself. So we were so happy.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you for everything.